Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the filters for this purely fresh air mask. So this purely fresh air mask, it comes with two types of filters. The main filter is called the mask filter, and another filter is called fresh air filter. So first you need these two. This is the filter removal tool. Alright, it's included in the package. So what you need is you just remove the front grill, okay, by turning clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, so it will pop out. Okay, and this is the fresh air filter. You need to change it once or twice a week. So to remove the motor unit, you need to hold firmly on the base, and then the whole motor unit, you need to turn it clockwise. You will hear a click and it will fall out. Okay, you put this aside, and you need to remove this piece. So you slowly pry open this with your fingernail. Alright, so you just remove this, and this inner plastic piece will just come out. And this is the piece that you want to replace every once a week. Okay, you get a new one, a fresh new one. You align it properly according to the hole. Align it through this hole. Okay, so you just reverse the process. So you use this piece, right? This piece, just assemble everything back in reverse. This side is on the top, so push everything back together until you hear a click. Okay. So that's it. So everything is in place, right? Okay, next we continue on with this motor unit. Okay, align properly in this angle, and then you push it to anti-clockwise. Okay, you will hear a click, then everything is in place. Then put back this fresh air filter. The blue side is on the front, right? And then put this back on, screw it back clockwise. Okay, there you have it. Alright, that's all for today. Until we meet again, stay safe, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.